Hi, this is Rebecca, your customer concierge from Summit Evergreen. Here at Summit Evergreen, we believe everyone has something valuable to share with the world, and we want to help you turn your great ideas into a high-value online course. Today, I want to take a few minutes to show you how easy it is to create a course in Summit Evergreen. Once you've created and gathered your content, the first thing you'll want to do is use Summit's new product wizard to create your course. The course I'm going to create today is How to Make a Pizza. So let's get started. Once you've logged into Summit Evergreen, you'll want to head over to the New Product Wizard. To do that, come to the drop-down in the upper left corner and select Manage Products. From here, select the drop-down that appears in the left-hand pane and select Add a Product. Go ahead and type in your product name. Select which theme you'd like to use. Keep in mind we do have more themes available and you can change the theme at any time. If you know this, select the domain for your product as well as who you want your emails to come from and what email address they should come from. You can leave it blank if you're not sure yet. And then decide if you want to use sample content or an empty product to start with. Go ahead and hit Add Product. Now you've just created your first product. Once you've done that, a new menu will appear in the upper right corner. From here you can change any of your settings. You can also add tiers, change prices of your course, and set up user profile questions to gather important information during the checkout process. There's one last step before we can go any further. Make sure you always go to the Actions menu and select Switch to this product before you start working on anything. You want to make sure that your product shows here in the upper left-hand corner. Next, you're going to want to set up your syllabus. The syllabus is essentially an outline of your course. To get to the syllabus menu, you'll select Your Course and then Syllabus. Before you can make any changes to the syllabus, you'll need to unlock it first. You do that by coming to the lock icon in the bottom left corner and clicking it. You'll notice more options become available after you click the lock icon. Now you're going to want to create your syllabus by creating your headings first. You can click on any of these headings and type over them to change the name. If you want to add more, just come to the drop-down, select Add a New Chapter. Now that I've created all my headings, step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4, I'm going to create the actual pages of lesson in my course. To do that, you can either select to attach an existing lesson, or you can create a brand new page. I'm going to create a brand new page. Now I have 2 lessons under my step 1. So now I'm going to come to step 2 and create some other lessons. Now we'll come down to step 3. And then we'll finish with step 4. Now that you've created your syllabus, you'll want to make sure that you lock it so that you save all of your changes. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create the syllabus. Now from here, you can edit any of these pages of content just by clicking on them, and the editor will pull up in the right-hand side. From here, you have all your basic editor functions. You can switch back and forth from HTML to the visual editor. You can also see any comments that have been put on this page and also adjust any of the settings of the page. The next step in setting up your online course is to set up your drip. Here is where you can dictate when your students can view your content. To do this, you're going to hover left and select your course and then drip. You'll notice that the drip and the syllabus menu look very similar. In the drip menu, you'll always have always available pages. These pages are just always available. You can also set up your schedule with this blue button here. If you go ahead and click that, it will copy your syllabus and save you quite a bit of work. So now all you have to do is go in here and edit the days and times. So let's say I want my first lesson to be available on let's say day 2. Let's go ahead and unlock the syllabus or the drip menu. And let's just type in day 2 and we can select the time. Let's say I want this one available on day 10 and I want to do it at 7 a.m. Let's say I'd like this lesson day 17 and we'll say this lesson on day 24. All you have to do at this point is just hit the lock button. Now, if you don't want to take the shortcut in setting up your drip, you can unlock and you can go up here to the drop down in the left pane and select Add a New Interval. Here you'll be able to select any day and time you want and drag and drop lessons here if you choose. The drip menu is also where you'll set up emails that you want to send out from the course. So make sure that your drip is unlocked. And to add an email, you can simply go to this plus button and you can select New Email. A lot of people will add emails and send them out when new content's available. So for example, new content is here. You can go ahead and create the email. And here's our email right here. You can drag and drop it to whatever day you want. Let's say I want this to go out on day 10 at 7 a.m. I can click this email and I can edit it right here on the right-hand side. And here's my subject line. And then this email will go out at 7 a.m. right when the new content's released. Just make sure to lock and save your drip when you're done. Now that you've set up your product, your syllabus, and your drip, let's talk about the theme and branding your course. To get to your theme menu, you're going to hover left, select your course, and click Theme. Now in the new product wizard, you already selected a theme, which was Sleek. You can go ahead and click it and some information will pull up on the right-hand side. Under My Themes, you'll see copies of themes that you've made. And then under All Themes, these are all the themes that are available for you to choose from. If you want to switch to another theme, you can simply select it, come over to Actions in the right-hand corner, and select Set as Product Theme. And this will switch themes for you. Now I want to go back and I want to set my theme as Sleek. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to find Sleek. I'm going to go to Actions and Set as my Product Theme. Inside the theme menu, you'll notice that you'll be able to select different files for your logo. You can also change your colors. You can change what's in your footer. Here's where you'll set up custom menus and if you have any header or footer scripts that you want to include. Keep in mind that the themes have different options available, so there may be different options available in one theme versus another. So try them all out and just see what works best for you. So let's go ahead and change the color on this one. Let's make it red. We'll go ahead and save. And now that we've created our course, let's just go ahead and take a quick look at it. Anytime you want to, you can view your member site and take a look at what you've been creating. To do that, you come to the upper left corner and you select Open Member Site. And here is what we have so far. As you can see, if you click on step 1, you'll see all your navigation. And these are just blank pages right now. Step 2, step 3, and step 4. Once you have your content ready to go, Summit Evergreen is going to make it super easy to have a clean and professional look without a lot of tech fuss. I hope this video helps you in creating your course, and as always, if you have any questions, please contact us at support@summitevergreen.com.